Okay, so this is the PC which we removed the power supply off, and I'm just gonna see if the power supply can be repaired or not. It's the HP brand. Okay, let's have a quick look. I can turn this computer off. Okay, it should switch over. It has not. Okay, camera 5. So this guy does not turn on. It's recommended not to turn on power supplies without a load. That's what I've been told. So let's go ahead and plug in, oh shit, plug in a power cable which is currently connected, and it is live. Okay. There is a light, but very faint. It wasn't coming on before, right? No. So green and the black. If you short them, it should turn on. Let's see if it will. Okay. Mr. Green and Mr. Black. Hi. All right. Had a quick interruption. Now we have put that in. Yeah, black and the green. Plug in the power. It should boot. Unless, of course, it will go poof. Let's see. Not boot. I mean, we should have the hard drive spinning. It's actually on. It's actually on, working. So no issues with that guy, I guess. We'll leave it as is. Alright, maybe one of the power ions are not working, who knows. Why don't we just check that? Voltage, DC mode, okay. Five volts. 5 volts. 5 volts. Brown. 3.3 white. 12, yellow 12, purple 5 volts. I think that's gray. Yep. Yeah, all the power rail seems to be fine. 5 volts. 5 volts, and then the orange 3.3, and that's the brown 3.3. Orange. This is the blue. And there. Yeah, that's short to the ground. Okay, so I don't see any issues with this. Turns off. Good. The power supply seems to be fine. Okay. Anyway, weird one. We'll leave it at that. So that was the so this will not turn on the computer, but the other one did. We'll call this sometime turn on. Okay, see you in the next one.